Lululemon will pay you $8,000 a month to work from home. And the best part is, anyone can do it. It's completely free and you don't have to show your face. Let me show you how. Men, but especially ladies, because I know how you love Lululemon, you're going to want to save this video and watch it again later. First thing you want to do is type in Lulu affiliate program and then just click on this link right here. Then just follow these 3 steps. Once you're set up, just go ahead and find the products that you want to promote. Next, go over to Pinterest and create a pin. So here you can add a photo, give it a title, you can give it a description, the price, make sure it looks similar to the original post in the website. Now this part is super important. You don't want to forget it, because if you don't do this, you're not going to get paid. And underneath add alt link, this is where you're going to put your affiliate link, which is how you're going to get paid when someone buys through your link. And when people go to click it and follow through with a purchase, you will get a commission. And after you click publish, you can go back and do this over and over as much as you want. So this is called affiliate marketing. If you're interested to learn more and find out how people are making thousands of dollars a month by doing this, check out the link in my bio. There's some free training in there that's worth $1,000. But like I said, you get it for free.